I'm Sumit Chandel for The Developer Show. This is your weekly update on the coolest developer news from Google. Calling all coders. Kickstart Round E is coming up on August 21st. Kickstart is a Google coding competition for folks looking to grow their skills and get better acquainted with competitive programming. Participants work to solve a series of fun, algorithmic problems in each round. There are only 4 Kickstart rounds left this season, so register today. Head to g.co/kickstart to learn more and sign up, or check out @gcodingcomps on Twitter for the latest info and updates on upcoming rounds. Last week, Samsung launched the latest devices to come to the Android ecosystem at their Galaxy Unpacked event. This includes their 2 new foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and their new lineup of watches running on Wear OS, the Galaxy Watch 5 series. With the excitement around these new devices, there's never been a better time to invest in making sure your app provides an amazing experience for users on large screens or Wear OS. To check out more details about the new devices that were launched and how you can best prepare your app to provide great experiences on these new form factors, check out the post link below. We've just released the Modern Android Development Skills Series, or MAD Skills Series, focused on performance last week. This series will focus on performance in Android applications, with episodes releasing throughout August on YouTube with engineers working on Android performance. The series includes topics like how to create and use baseline profiles, modern mental models for performance, and more. You can learn more about the upcoming MAD Skills series on performance or catch up on previous topics in the series by checking out the link in the post. Cloud Functions 2nd Gen is now generally available. It enables a greater variety of workloads, more powerful and efficient compute options, granular controls for faster rollbacks, and new triggers for over 125 Google and third-party SaaS event sources using EventArc. Some highlights of moving into GA also include fast rollbacks and gradual rollouts, 6 times longer request processing, an improved developer experience in the UI, and much more. To learn about the GA announcement and all the new features, check out the link in the post for more information, including links to documentation and updated quick start guides on using Cloud Functions 2nd Gen. Composable learning to rank using JAX is now possible with the newly introduced RAX, a library for LTR in the JAX ecosystem. Ranking is a core problem across a variety of domains, such as search engines and recommendation systems. As such, researchers often utilize learning to rank, a set of supervised machine learning techniques to optimize for the utility of an entire list of items rather than a single item at a time. While there have been libraries like TF Ranking that offered the necessary tools to use LTR, none of the existing LTR libraries worked natively with JAX until now. RAX is designed to solve LTR problems and expose an API that will look and feel familiar to JAX users. The link with more details about this announcement and how to use LTR using RAX is included in the post, so be sure to check it out. Chrome 105 Beta has recently been released. It includes features like the Custom Highlight API, which extends the concept of highlighting pseudo-elements by providing a way to style the text of arbitrary ranges. It also includes container queries, which allow authors to style elements according to the size of a container element, and many more updates. Check out the full details on the release and the link to download it in the post. To learn more about all of this week's stories, make sure to check the description box below for all the links. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and stay safe. I'm Sumit for The Developer Show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Newly introduced RAX, a library for LTR in the JAX ecosystem. Using JAX is now possible with the newly introduced RAX, a library for LTR. Okay.